8 pieces of wood are on the floor, and each piece of wood is 6 1/4 feet long. How long are the pieces of wood if you line them all up in yards? So this one's a challenge. We have 8 pieces of wood. So if you can imagine these 8 pieces, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And each of them is 6 1/4. And then we need to figure out how much that is in yards. So I'm going to start by multiplying 8 times 6 1/4. In order to multiply that, I do need to turn those into improper fractions. I have 8 over 1, and then I have 6 times 4 is 24, plus the 1 is 25 over 4. Then I'm going to multiply across. 8 times 25 is 200. Divide that by 4. That is improper, and 200 divided by 4 is going to get me exactly 50. But that's 50 feet. And I need to know how many yards that is. So I'm going to go ahead and write that out. 50 feet over, and I don't know how many yards that is going to be equal to, and I know that there are 3 feet in 1 yard. I'm going to go possibly this direction. 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. So I need to think, what do I multiply 3 by to get to 50? So I'm going to divide over here. 50 divided by 3. 3 goes into 50. That's 1 time. Subtract, I get a 2, bring down the 0. 3 goes into 20 6 times, that's going to be 18. Subtract, I'm going to get a 2. I'm going to bring that up into a fraction, so I have 16 and 2/3. So it's times 16 and 2/3 times 16 and 2/3. So that is going to be 16 and 2/3 yards.